Are you tired of feeling self-conscious about your appearance and hygiene? Do you want to look and feel your best? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll go over some hygiene basics that every young guy should know to stay fresh and clean. Let's start with the basics. Washing your hands and face. Make sure to use soap and warm water to thoroughly clean your hands and face, especially after using the bathroom, before and after meals, and after sweating. Next up, showering. Showering regularly is essential for maintaining good hygiene. Make sure to use soap and shampoo to clean your entire body, including your hair, armpits, and groin area. If you have oily hair or skin, consider washing them every day. But if you have dry skin or hair, limit showering to a few times a week. For your hair, choose a shampoo that works for your hair type and use it not every time you shower. If you have oily hair, you may need to shampoo every 2 to 3 days, but if you have dry hair, you can shampoo every 5 to 7 days. Overdoing shampoo will make your hair thin. And don't forget about exfoliation. Using a washcloth or loofah to gently scrub your skin can help remove dead skin cells and prevent acne and ingrown hairs. You can exfoliate once or twice a week, depending on your skin type and sensitivity. Now, let's talk about dental hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day with fluoride toothpaste to keep your teeth and gums healthy. Floss at least once a day to remove any food particles stuck between your teeth, and use mouthwash to kill bacteria and freshen your breath. Bacteria can accumulate on your tongue, causing bad breath and dental issues. Use your toothbrush or a tongue scraper to gently clean your tongue every time you brush your teeth. And don't forget about your lips. Dead skin cells can accumulate on your lips, causing them to become dry and chapped. Use a soft bristled toothbrush or a clean washcloth to gently exfoliate your lips once a week, and apply lip balm or moisturizer to keep them soft and healthy. Another important aspect of hygiene is grooming. Keep your nails trimmed and clean to prevent bacteria from accumulating under them. Brush or comb your hair regularly to keep it neat and tidy. And don't forget to shave or trim your facial hair regularly, if you have any. If you have longer hair, make sure to trim split ends regularly and style it in a way that suits your face shape and personal style. For shorter hair, make sure to get regular haircuts to keep it looking neat and tidy. Last but not least, use deodorant or antiperspirant to control body odor and sweat. Apply it daily, especially after showering or working out, and consider using a body spray or cologne to smell fresh and clean. These basic hygiene tips can help you look and feel your best, and boost your confidence in any situation. So, start incorporating these habits into your daily routine and see the difference it can make in your life. Thank you for watching.